Tiling your house can sometimes be a very difficult decision. Nowadays, tiles are available in endless sizes, textures, colors, offering something for everyone and every style. Tiling your surface can make it more durable and easy to care for. Hence, it is ideal for homes as well as high traffic areas. Let me share with you a few tips to keep in mind when you come to our studio for tile shopping. Let's divide the whole selection process in different application areas. We'll start with dining room, bedroom and common areas. For such spaces, we always use larger anti-slip tiles, at least 80 cm by 160 cm, or even bigger if it leads to less joints and a grander look to your space. If you use paper cut joint tiles with a flexible body and crystal finish on the top, you can install these tiles in an area without using any spacers. But remember, this is only for inside of the house and your commercial space. You will always have to use spacers in outdoor areas due to expansion and contraction caused by direct sunlight. Next up, bathrooms. It is again suggested to use as big of a tile as you want and your budget supports on the walls. But for the floors, remember to get those tiles cut into smaller sizes, that is 60 cm by 60 cm or smaller, as it will be easier to make slope in the floor for the flow of water. Using the same tile on the wall and the floor will make your bathroom look more luxurious and bigger in size. Remember, it is a myth not to use larger or darker tiles in smaller bathrooms. Always use tiles with grooves at every 2 inches on the shower floor to prevent any of your loved family member from slipping on shampoo and soap. Trust me, it can save you a lot on medical bills. Divide the shower area of the bathroom and the dry area of the bathroom, that is your WC and vanity area, so that the entire bathroom doesn't get flooded every time you take a hot, relaxing shower. Next, kitchen. Kitchen is a very tricky area. Mostly the shutters and countertops are made of simple colors without any textures. So you should use smaller size striking tiles which can give a real character to your kitchen and will also complement your shutters. In case you have textures or prints on your shutters like a wooden texture, then you can also go for simple subway tiles which can come in all shapes and sizes. You will have a lot more room to wiggle there. For kitchen floors, go for anti-slip coated tiles, but try avoiding very loud prints unless they go with your main floor. Here are some of the designs which are very popular right now and give a very luxurious feel to your kitchen. You can choose between classical yet traditional or modern designs with beautiful textures. Next up, terrace and balconies. Terrace and balconies are the places where one goes to relax and unwind. The flooring tile of these places should give a very cozy and inviting vibe. Using a wooden look tile laid in a herringbone or a brick pattern is what we at Sampling House recommend the most. For the matter of fact, any tile in a strip format will look amazing in this space, but remember to use spacers as here you will get direct sunlight. Finally, we talk about facades. Gone are the days where facades required regular maintenance and their look faded over time. Now, India has started producing slim vitrified tiles, which are only 5 mm thick and are as strong as a 16 mm marble. These tiles help in management of weight of the entire building, and they can be directly pasted on a 1x3 plaster by using special adhesives. Talking about that, adhesives have high content of polymer, which create a tight hold on the wall. That's why we recommend adhesives. It is better to use tile adhesive instead of cement mortar for the following reasons. You have to apply a thinner layer of adhesive, that is just 4 mm on the tile and 4 mm on the floor. So the thickness of the floor is less compared to any mortar laying. Chemical adhesives have a lower setting time, so you can start using the floor in less time, which will in turn give you a greater turnaround time. Adhesives also have a high content of polymer, so even in the event of expansion and contraction of the tile will not fall easily. Adhesive is more consistent than mortar as only water is supposed to be mixed in it, and its preparation is also a lot faster. And you'll see often while the laborer is mixing the mortar, they get the composition wrong, which always leads to faulty installations. Using adhesives ensure that you get a quality installation every time. So now we have covered most of the areas of the house in our video today, and if you need any suggestions over any other areas as well, leave your questions in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you. While doing that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for being with us, and I'll see you in the next video.